What's up guys, Jesse here with Team Velas. Today I will be showing you guys how to set up your new Velas web wallet. Velas has made creating their new web wallet a simple process. So if you follow along with me in this quick tutorial, you will be up and running in no time. In the description there will also be a written step-by-step guide with screenshots to make this process as easy as possible. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the web browser and type in www.velas.com. Find the wallet tab near the top of the page, not the desktop wallet tab. Once there, you will be prompted to set up a new PIN. This PIN can be 6 digits or longer. After creating your new PIN, you will only get 7 attempts to enter the correct PIN. Otherwise, the wallet will be deleted and you will have to recover from your seed phrase. Remember to write down your PIN somewhere safe and secure. Once that's done, you will click Create New Wallet tab. You will then be given your new seed phrase that you must save to recover your wallet if you were to forget your PIN. We have included a printable seed phrase sheet so you can keep them safe and secure. You will then need to verify a seed word to confirm your new seed phrase. Once confirmed, you will be given a terms of use policy that you will need to accept. Once accepted, you are done and you can start using your new Velas web wallet. For old wallet users, please follow steps 1 through 6. Once finished, you will continue to log into your old Velas wallet by clicking the Old Wallet tab near the very top of the page. Once there, you can start sending your VLX to your new wallet by using your new web wallet address. We are constantly updating and adding new features to our wallets, so stay tuned for more things Velas. Thanks for watching, and again, if you would like a written step-by-step description, it will be linked below.